Hello, all my friends. Today I have come with new TDL. Okay, so we all know that the by default Tally has the export Excel files as pivot table. That means the columnar wise field. Now I go to sales register and click the export button and go to the configure it, show more. Now your file is the export file is the Excel format, and you can see here the cell register export pivot table if yes, and then the reports details they are showing and show stock item properties. That means stock item master method, all the master method, or you can say this is a field. And also the ledger properties, that means the ledger address, email, phone number, contact number, GST number, like that. Okay, and use also the GST details, but by default Tally GST details only display the GST percentage and the HSN code and description of HSN description. But this feature cannot show your GST amount. Okay, CGST, SGST or IGST amount, and also the so the dispatch details, other details. Okay, just I export it. Okay, this is your export file as pivot table. Okay, and you can easily uh, convert it pivot table as per your requirement. Now my TDL is working here the bottom pivot table. Okay, the by default uh, Tally pivot table or my customization pivot table, it main difference you cannot single item or multi item select by default Tally pivot table. Okay, cell in cell register, but my TDL it is working as a single item or multi item or all item. Okay, just I select this item, product A, product B, product C, and you can show here the show the all item. You also show all item, and if you the filter the stock item, then it you can multi item. Okay, and also here is the configure that you can company name, stock item properties, what is the by default Tally, but GST details you can fetch the data CGST, IGST, that is the tax amount. Okay, and also here the in the below there is a new configure that show oil bill and transport details. You can also yes it. Okay, just enter and you can see your all the CGST, SGST amount, also the transporter details and bill number and bill date. Okay, and you can easily export it as per your requirement. Export it. Sorry, change your file name. Just file name a daybook and export it. Okay. So you can see here your export item HSN core item GST number. Also here you see the your CGST amount, SGST amount, IGST amount, and transporter details also. Okay, so that is the main motto of this to develop this TTL file, that anywhere you can select in the your sale register and the multi stock item or single stock item or all item. Okay, end of list, just I show the end of list, and B, C and E also no need. So there is only three item. As per three item, you can also opt your transport details if not required by you, then you can off it details. Okay, so it is very useful TTL if we need the select item or multi item selection sales register as columnar, and you can say it pivot table. Okay, so thank you for watching my video.